I think that the opportunity we had in these days to see several and heard about several Colombian situations concerned with peace and justice, or well, searching for peace and justice, led us to consider how much these problems are both nowadays global and local. And so how much could be important that the different churches, the different agencies and the different institutions that try to face this enormous problem all around the world can create a sort of spiritual network, not only putting together resources but just putting in touch people trying to make a richness from the experience of other situations, and how much these problems are linked. If we think to migration, even here in Colombia, they know the refugees from Venezuela, and how much these affect all the attitude of the local churches to think and act, to think globally and act locally, not such a sort of little field that each church can grow and treat alone, but how much is important to recognize our common belonging to one body, the humanity.